Okay guys, today we're cooking this amazing dish. This is Polish national dish. You can impress your girlfriend or boyfriend and they will like it, I promise it. Good appetite! Hi guys, today we cook a very important and very nice dish. Which one can help you maybe impress your Polish girlfriend or boyfriend? This dish name is Bigos, or it's a stew cabbage. This is very amazing dish, and this dish very famous in a lot of the countries. And today I will teach you how to cook it. Let's go. Okay guys, for this dish we need these ingredients: bacon, spring onion, pork belly slices we will use. We use ketchup, cabbage, prunes, and two types of the sausage, smoked cabbage and onion. Okay guys, for this dish we need special ingredient, and I show you which one we find. We now in Asda, and this is shelf with Polish products. On the bottom we can see cabbage. You see, here it's two types of cabbage, and we will take this one. Why this one? Because this together with carrot. Another one it's without. We will cook with this cabbage today, and not only today but another days as well. See you soon. Now I will show you how to cut ingredient. Stop. Okay guys, I think half cabbage, half small cabbage will be enough. We use two types of sausage. Is not necessary cut to small pieces. Meat we cut cubes. And now guys, we go to one special secret place to cook. See you in new place. Hello guys, now we on seafront in place which one I show you. Now we place oil on the pan. This is special oil and we start frying pork bacon.
Hello guys, now we are going to add in the cabbage, but let's show you how well it fried. Now let's add the cabbage. Now we're going to mix the cabbage.
Please drive it.
Make sure you mix it quite often. Or else it can start burning. But it looks like it's cooking quite rapidly. Now we're going to add in the onion and bacon. Just look how amazing it looks. I wish we could eat it right now. Make sure you mix it quite often, just so nothing burns. And make sure you don't have chunks of bacon just lying around.
Okay guys, now it's our cabbage and onion, it's fried. And now we will place the sausage. Okay, now we need to wait a little bit, and after in a few minutes we put ketchup and start frying. When ketchup will be ready, we put our cabbage, put a little bit water and start stewing. Okay, now we'll put ketchup inside. And we should mixing to make sure it's mixed properly. We should fry ketchup because this is make color for the cabbage. We leave maybe for 10 minutes and after put another one cabbage and mix it. Done. Now it's time to put cabbage, and we as well putting prawns. Блять, not prawns.
Same thing.
Now we put some prawns. We have put little bit water. And now we can close and stew a little bit till ready. I think it's about 20 minutes and should be ready. See you in 20 minutes.
Okay, after quite some time, it's finished stewing, and let's show you. It looks perfectly cooked and should taste amazing. Everything is ready, and now all we have to do is just plate it. Now let's plate it. Okay, let's test this lovely Polish dish and let's hope it's just like how beautiful Polish goats are. Let's now try it. The flavors are just so amazing. It's so soft, you don't even need teeth to eat this. It's a 10 out of 10. I just can't stop eating it. All of the flavors are just amazing. You definitely have to try this out and make it yourself, or else you're missing out. Hope to see you in the next video or in the past videos. Every dish is just so amazing. You have to watch them all.
Okay guys, I hope you will enjoy this amazing dish, and this dish help you understand more a little bit about Polish kitchen, and you will learn more amazing dishes, which one I will teach you in next video. See you guys, bye.
We're gonna test out this Polish dish, which I really love. And what did you say about Polish goes? I forgot.